starting. Okay, so today we're going to talk about tessellations. First, we're going to review color schemes real quick. Draw an example of the color wheel. So analogous colors are side by side. So that means the green and the yellow are analogous. Complementary are opposite of each other, so the blue and the orange are complementary. Split complementary are, let's say, the blue, and then you go over to the yellow-orange, and then there's the orange-red kind of shade right here. Those are split complementaries. The triadics make up a triangle, so green, orange, blue is one, and they go all the way around. You just split, so like green and this orange right here, this yellow-orange, and that makes up a triadic. So colors, lines, shapes combine to make a motif. A motif can be a part of a pattern. So we're going to show you what a motif could look like real quick. We're going to draw it on the paper. We're just going to cut along this line. And basically the line goes from one edge of the paper to the other. So this could be a motif pattern like this. And you put these side by side on a plane. A plane is just like a blank surface like this. And to make up the pattern, you could stack this side by side over and over again to make up a pattern using this motif. Talk about tessellations. Tessellations are actually the process of stacking the motifs together to create a pattern. So there's different ways that we can make the motif. This can be a motif right here, or we can use different processes. There's a translation, which is a slide, a rotation, which is a turn, or there's a glide and reflect, which is where you slide and flip your other piece. So I'll show you with these how we do a translation first. So it looked like this to begin with, correct? And we just slide it over, and that's a translation. Now, if we wanted to do a rotation, we just turn this top piece to the side like this, and this is called a rotation. Then we also have a glide and reflect, so we just glide this over and then reflect it down, and that's a glide and reflect. So for the activity today, you're going to draw your own line that goes paper to the other side on just a little square. Then you're going to cut out your shape, so you get two pieces. And you're going to either do a translation, which is the slide. You're going to do either a rotation, where you rotate this down, or you'll do a glide and a rotation downward. And then once you're done, you're going to take your finished motif, and you're going to take it to your paper, and you're going to place it down, trace all the way around, and keep going on the paper till you fill up the whole thing. And that's going to be your pattern. And then after that, we'll color it in with color pencils or crayons. And you can use the color combinations that we talked about before. Complementary is really nice because they pop out. So you could do an orange and a blue, and that would make the pattern really pop. All right, so that's our tessellation work.